Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Akun. How are you students? Hope you are well. So dear students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 5, Grand Mass Yo-Yo. In last video, I have given you the exercises. Yes, did you solve and copy in your book number 1? Very good, the students who solved and copy the exercises in book number 1. And you have to learn by heart the answers, okay? Now today we will solve next exercises. Question number 7. On your screen you can see question number 7. Okay. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. In this question you have to solve in pairs, but you are alone at home. You can pair with your friends. Okay. For 2 or 3 minutes and talk about. Okay. You have to discuss the point. What are those? About the old people, you know. Okay, the old people which you know, you have to talk about them. Okay, on which point? Number 1, how they can help you, means how the old people help you. You can see, you observe many times old people help you. So which things they help you? Okay, you can write answer, okay, in your own sentences. Second point, how you can help them, means how you can help the old people. Okay, so you can write in the sentences in your own and your own experiences. Okay, so first of all, guess the answers. What will be the answer? Yes, how they can help you, means how the old people help you. Okay, the answer will be, you can write in your own sentence, the old people can help us by sharing their experiences with us. Okay, and the old people can help us by sharing manners, moral, okay, etc. Like this, they can help us. Okay, second point, how you can help them. Second point, how you can help them. So dear students, how you can help the old people? Say the answer. I hope most of students will be answering. Yes. So answer will be that we can help the old people by spending time with them. By spending time with them. Okay. Got it? Because generally old people live alone. Okay. So we can help them by spending time with. Okay. Got it? And we can help them by servicing food, water, and tea. Okay, like this. We can wash their cloth. Okay, like this. Got it? Okay, so students, you have to write this answer in your book number 1. Okay, next exercise, see on your screen, learn words. Okay, here are few words and their meanings. Okay, you can see in this box, these are words and these are meanings of the words. Okay, got it? So here are 5 words. How many words are there? 5. That tell you about different ways and ways of speaking. Okay, that tell you different ways of speaking. Okay, so you have to learn by heart these words. Okay, what are the meanings of this word? You can see on your screen. Number 1, repeated. Repeated means said again, बार बार कही गई बात. Okay, या बार बार कहा गया. Okay, repeated. Second, muttered. We learn about muttered in chapter. Means muttered means spoke in very low voice to show he was unhappy. Okay, when when you want that you are unhappy, you can muttered. Okay, so जब आपको गुस्सा आता है और आप ये बताना चाहते हैं कि मैं खुश नहीं हूँ, तो आप जो है एकदम लो आवाज़ में कहेंगे, तो उस एहसास को कहते हैं मटर्ड। क्या कहते हैं? मटर्ड। ओके, गॉट इट? मटर्ड मीन जब आप नाखुश हों उस वक्त की कही गई बात, जो एकदम धीरे आवाज़ से होती है। ओके, सी शो स्पेशली टू शो दैट you did not like something. Okay, next, whispered. WIS, PERED, whispered. It's a second form of whisper. Okay, spoke in a soft voice. Okay, so that the others did not hear. Okay, the others did not hear, so we can whisper someone ears. Okay, whisper mean फुसफुसाना। ओके, कम आवाज़ में बोलना। स्पोक इन सॉफ्ट वॉइस, एकदम नर्म आवाज़ में बोलना। ओके, गॉट इट? शाउटेड। शाउटेड मीन्स स्पोक वेरी लाउडली। स्पोक वेरी लाउडली। ओके, स्पोक वेरी लाउडली। Repeat after me. Shouted, spoke very loudly. So dear students, you have to learn by heart these words and their meaning. Okay, you have to learn by heart these words and its meaning. Okay, got it? Shouted means spoke very loudly. Okay, generally students shouted in the class, in the ground. Okay, see number next. Recited, RECITED. Recited. Okay, recited means said something aloud from memory. Okay, said something aloud from memory, like a poem, verses, Quran. Okay, got it? मीन्स किसी चीज़ को याद करने के लिए, और उसको जैसे कुरान शरीफ की हम तिलावत करते हैं उसको रिसाइटेड कहेंगे। ओके, पोएम को हम याद करते हैं तो उसे रिसाइटेड, पोएम जो है रिसाइट की जाती है और पैराग्राफ रीड किया जाता है। ओके, सो रिसाइटेड, गॉट इट? स्पेशली रिसाइटेड जो है वो पोएम के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। ओके, पोएम एंड वर्सेस ऑफ कुरान, गॉट इट? सी सो सेड समथिंग अलाउड फ्रॉम मेमोरी। सी नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज देयर? नाउ यूज देम करेक्टली in the sentences given below. Okay, the words which are given above, so these words you have to use in the sentences which are on the next page. Okay, see, you can see on this page exercise number 1. Okay, now use them correctly in the sentences given below. Number 1. Okay, she dash a secret in my ear. Okay, secret means yes, राज, जिसे हम किसी को बताना नहीं चाहते हैं तो उसे सीक्रेट कहते हैं। ओके, सो she dash a secret in my ear. So which word will be there among these word? Yes, among these word, which words will be in sentence A? Yes, I hope most of students will be answering whispered. Okay, whispered mean spoke in soft voice so that others did not hear. Okay, so you can write the first word here in the A sentence. Okay, whispered, W. Yes, repeat after me. Spell the word WHIS, whis, PERED, bird. Okay, whispered यानी उसने मेरे कानों में सॉफ्ट आवाज़ में कही। ओके, नंबर बी. टीचर सेड राज यू डैश द पोएम वेरी वेल. डैश द पोएम. ओके, पोएम. सो विच वर्ड विल बी देयर अमंग दोज वर्ड्स? यस, among these words which word will be in sentence B? Yes, in the space of sentence B. Repeated, muttered, shouted, या recited. Said something aloud from memory like poem. Okay, you can see poem, and in sentence B there is a word poem. Okay, so what will be the answer? Teacher said, Raj, you recited the poem very well. Okay, spell the recited. RECITED, ted. Okay, recited. Got it? Very good. Number C. See number C sentence. The children dash when they were in the playground. Okay, the children dash when they were in the playground. जब बच्चे ग्राउंड में थे तो उन्होंने क्या किया? Yes, what will be the word? Which word will be there? Among this word is rejected from here. Okay, this is also used. Now how many words are remain there? 3 words: repeated, muttered, and shouted. Okay, which word will be there among this word? Spoke very loudly. Generally children shouted. Okay, making noise. Okay, shouted in the playground. So the words we will write here. Okay, which word we will write there? Yes, shouted. Which word we will write there? Shouted in number C space. Okay, spell the shouted. SHOUTED, shouted. Okay, SHOUTED, ted, shouted, in chillai. Number D space. Okay, see number D, repeat after me. When her mother scolded her dash Jaya dash, she is always scolding me. Okay, what will be there? Scolded means, yes, धमकाना, बातें सुनाना. Okay, so when her mother scolded her Jaya dash, so which word will be there? How many words are remain? 2 words are remain there. Okay, which are those? Number 1, repeat and muttered. These 2 words are remain. So how, which word will be there? Yes, muttered. Okay, गुस्से में जब आपको कोई डांटता है तो आप अनहैप्पी हो जाते हैं, तो उस वक्त में जो आवाज़ निकलती है वो बहुत धीरे से होती है और वो ज़बान पर बहुत सॉफ्ट वॉइस में होती है. मीन्स सेड समथिंग इन अ लो वॉइस स्पेशली टू शो दैट यू डिड नॉट लाइक समथिंग. मीन्स you don't like that someone scold you. Okay, so which word will be there? Muttered. Okay, spell the muttered. MUTTERED, muttered. Okay. Yes, last remaining, baby dash everything he heard. So which word will be there? Repeated. Okay, got it? So dear students, you have to solve and copy this exercise in book number 1. Okay, and next exercise we will solve in next videos. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.